Dear viewers, today we are traveling to the longest natural sea beach in the world, stretching nearly 120 kilometers. A true pride of Bangladesh, Cox's Bazar, its history and name. The name Cox's Bazar comes from British officer Captain Hiram Cox. In the late 18th century, he worked here to rehabilitate displaced people. In honor of his contribution, the place was named Cox's Bazar. Over time, this small settlement has grown into one of the world's most fascinating tourist cities. Wonder of the Sea Beach. Cox's Bazar is the world's longest natural sea beach. Endless waves, the roar of the ocean, and the open blue sky all blend together into pure magic. Each sunrise and sunset here paints an unforgettable masterpiece of nature. Standing by the shore at dusk feels like watching the earth's most beautiful canvas unfold before your eyes. Nearby attractions. Within the city, you'll find Laboni Point, Kalatoli, and the famous dry fish market. A short drive away lies Himchari waterfall, green hills, and breathtaking landscapes. The rocky beauty of Inani beach leaves travelers spellbound. And if you go further, St. Martin's Island, Mahesh Khali, and Ramu Buddhist temples, where history and nature unite in harmony. Family and travel experience. Cox's Bazar is not just a travel destination, it's a place where memories are made. Family vacations, friends trips, or even office tours. Playing on the sandy shores, splashing in the waves, or capturing photographs. These moments become treasures to keep for a lifetime. Food and culture. The food here is just as special as the beach itself. Fresh seafood, fish, prawns, lobsters, and Cox's Bazar's signature dry fish bring unique flavors. Alongside, the warmth and hospitality of the local people make the journey even more memorable. Emotional closing. At the end of the day, when you sit quietly on the shore, listening only to the sound of the waves, you realize how truly beautiful life can be. Cox's Bazar is not just a place, it's a symbol of history, culture, and natural beauty. Outro. Call to action. Dear viewers, if you enjoyed today's journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your small share could be someone else's big travel inspiration.